Hi guys, welcome to another lightning stick tutorial. Be sure to check out our lightning stick lightsabers at lightningstick.com.au. So that's lightning stick STIK.com.au. So this is a lightning stick spark. The customer sent it back there, had it for a while, and there appears to be a problem with it. So it doesn't turn on. I charged it, it won't charge and it won't turn on. So I'm going to replace the electronics for this customer. So very easy. I'm going to show you how to do that today. Let's take it out, open it up, take it out. You can see the electronics here. Now you're going to need an Allen key. Okay. And if you do need to remove the battery, find it with a flathead screwdriver and just do this. It makes it a lot easier to remove the battery. Okay, so now you got to remove these screws here. Just loosen it. And this one back here as well, just loosen it for now. Don't remove it all in one go. Okay, well, I just did that there. That's okay. Now, because that was the last screw anyway. So now all these loosened ones should just come out very easily. So it's as simple as that. Because these are combat lightsabers, you know, obviously after a bit of taking a hit, these electronics can get damage because taking impacts. So therefore the electronics are designed to be taken apart and replaceable. So push that power button down and just slowly slide out. And that's pretty much it, just simple as that. Now the electronics are out. Looks like the electronics is no good. So what we're going to do is replace it with our replacement electronic. So this is the good kit. So I'll just turn on to test it out. Smooth swing, as you can see there, and it works. So therefore I'm going to install this. So always just, before you spend a time and effort to install the electronics, always test, make sure it works first before you screw it on. So just make sure the screws line up, make sure it's the right replacement. Push it down, and there you go, everything, all the holes line up, and the hole in the back line up as well. So that's excellent. Just make sure it's the same length as well, which is, yes, that's great. Now push down, make sure the holes line up, and perfect. So take the back screw and install that first. Again, don't tighten the screw all in one go. A little bit loose, that's okay. So that way you have a bit more wiggle room with these other screws. So it doesn't force it into place, it just slowly guides it into place. You know, again, don't tighten the screws yet. Okay, so now I have tightened the screws. You may notice that, see how this has sank? That's because as you tighten these screws, it pulls it back up. So, but that's it. Put the chassis back on, and you have a working lightsaber. Basically, we remove the electronics and replace the new electronics in under 5 minutes. So simple. Thanks very much, and remember to subscribe for more new tips and videos, and also remember to visit our website lightningstick.com.au. We do worldwide deliveries and also obviously Australia-wide deliveries. So you anywhere on this planet you want to purchase our lightsabers, you may do so. So check our website and leave a comment and subscribe. Thanks very much. Thanks for watching. Bye.